Hi there, my name is Russ Horn, and I'm very excited to be able to bring you today a free trading system called the Forex Profit Nexus. Now, this system is really simple, and you'll be able to learn this, and you could literally be trading and making money an hour from now. Now, I have taught over 6,000 people how to be better traders. Over the last 14 years, I have made it my mission to make trading really as simple and as effective as I possibly can. I'm finding more and more that that really is a secret to success, is having a simple trading system that works. I know that 72% of people that are trading are doing this with at least a part-time job. 49% of them are doing it with a full-time job. So your trading system has to work. You want to be able to put your trading into your life and not the other way around. So having a very simple trading system does become very important. And the Forex Profit Nexus is probably going to fit the bill really nicely for you. So right now, let's click the download button below, and I will show you exactly how to do the rest. Let's get that Forex Profit Nexus system up in your charts and start trading.